wo la ń retí àlàáfíà táwọn burúkú wọn yóò bá kú báwo làlàáfíà ṣe lè wà àwọn mẹ́jọ kan láti kú kúrò Nàìjíríà kí Nàìjíríà tó lè wà òkè Babangida láti lọ Ọbásanjọ́ láti lọ gbogbo àwọn láti lọ then Abdulsalam gbogbo wọn láti lọ then táwọn eléyìí ò bá lọ tó bá ṣe ní bàbá àṣàlẹ̀ ìkà wọ̀nyí kò lè yá then bẹ́ẹ̀ náà láwọn gọ́fìnà burúkú lọ́dún pọ̀ oró sí lára àwọn gọ́fìnà tó ń pọ̀ oró sí lára wọ̀nyí náà Atiku láti fi Nàìjíríà lẹ̀ Atiku láti fi Nàìjíríà lẹ̀ àwọn ọba mi wà pàápàá láti kú kó òjijì kúrò ká tó lè rí àlàáfíà gbótóbìnrin ọba tó ti gbowó lẹ̀ tó tà fún Fúlàní tó ní kó máa wá góòlù bẹ́ẹ̀ ọba ìṣèlú ó jáde àwọn tí wọ́n tò sí airport tí Chinese ìpín tẹ̀yẹ 10,000 lé wọn lọ́wọ́ lẹ́ni pé bí elébi lẹ́ni pé wọ́n gba sálárì rí ní abẹ́ kí lórúkọ IG yìí sìn ẹgbẹ́ tó kù àwọn tó kójọ nìyẹn ó yẹ kó n ti rìtáyà kó ti máa lọlé ojú ẹ̀sìn rírì kúrì so báwo làwọn ṣe fẹ́ ní peace. nígbà tí Fúlàní bá wọ police station tó kéèyàn lórí tó ní kò sí mo tó fẹ́ ṣe fún un tí Fúlàní tó kéèyàn lórí lọ́rẹ̀ tó ní tẹlifóònù nọ́mbà àwọn ńláńlá ọ̀gá sójà ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá so báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ mọ peace olóòtú padà wà ní time covid náà kó dágà tó ń lò ìṣe plane náà fi gbé wa plane náà fi jálẹ̀ láàrin airport ní Kàdí ní Kano dágà tó ń pílé wọn lọ́wọ́ yìí yes so then AK-47 tìjọba ẹni kan máa fi ṣe màlúù ká máa fi dá màlúù káàkiri then kí la wá fẹ́ fi gáìdì àwọn èèyàn then peace yọ̀n ní tí gbogbo àdúgbò tó bá legalize ìbọn ní Nàìjíríà máa no peace tó bá legalize ìbọn fún all corpers must learn how to carry gun so ká lè draft wọn in as reserve that's the only thing. Ìgbà ẹni peace lè wà nígbà tó bá yàwó àdúgbò wa láńlọ́ọ̀dù mẹ́wàá gbogbo wa la níbọn o lè márùn lóde wọnú àdúgbò and there is surplus bullet kí ló fẹ́ kàjí so we be able to prevent ourselves ó di bàtà bá dé sí ẹdẹbẹ yẹn kákan máa pa àwọn èèyàn káyọ̀ máa ṣọ́ àwọn èèyàn Fúlàní ò lágbára àtẹ̀tí ìjà wọ́n ti ń bá lọ débi ìjà ní ìjà tí ì dé kí jẹ́ gbogbo ìjà lèèyàn lo ìbọn náà ṣe wọ́n rántí ìmọ̀ tí Ìbàdàn ṣe fún ọ ní táìmù tí wọ́n tí ò bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n bẹ̀yìn bẹ́bọ̀ jẹ́ ṣe rí Kwara tó ń sọ Kwara ti Yorùbá náà ni wọ́n kàn ṣagídí ni ogun ti táìmù yìí yàtọ̀ sílẹ̀ tí wọ́n rò yẹn o dájú máa dẹ̀ ń bẹ ó dẹ̀ wọ̀ ni wọ́n bọ̀ tó wọ́n gbọ́. láti táìmù Abdulsalam títí wá di táìmù yìí Fúlàní wo náà mú tó tì mọ́ police station tó sùn bẹ̀rí.
àárí.
dẹ́n kí ló wá jẹ́ kẹ́jẹ́ wọn yàtọ̀ kẹ́jẹ́ wọn funfun ní àbó dúdú nítorí pé wọ́n fẹ́ tètè kún lókè kí tí wọ́n bàjẹ́ ta lọ́lọ́run fún láṣẹ pé kó pààyàn
kò sí.
báwo ni Boko Haram ṣe fẹ́ jà láàyè l'Ákúrẹ́ kan láwọn Boko Haram ti gba Àkúrẹ́ o àwọn non-entity ló lè pèrè àwọn ní Fúlàní àwọn non-entity ló lè ní wọ́n ti gbowó pé kán lọ pààyàn ìwọ tó pààyàn kò block ọjọ́ tiẹ̀ adẹ́ ń pè bí eré wọ́n dẹ̀ ń sọ́ dìjà but it happened in the book of Joshua Joshua 5 Joshua 10 only the 3 kings of Moab they gang up together orí wọn ló wù chief of Burutai gbogbo àwọn wọ̀nyí orí wọn ló wù Buhari orí wọn ló wù then El-Rufai orí wọn ló wù Abdulsalam orí wọn ló wù nítorí pé wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe kí ni wọ́n fẹ́ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé àwọn ló wà ń jọba pé àwọn alábáyé àwọn Fúlàní àwọn alábáyé àwọn Hausa jẹ́ Nigeria is notable for 3 tribes Hausa Yorùbá àti Igbo so gbàtí ti Fúlàní wá dé tí wọ́n ń gbowó owó gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì náà fi ràn lẹ̀ káàkiri then owó tó ń jí níjọba ní time Goodluck Buhari wọ́n ní man nìkan injustice minister for justice and some wọ́n ní ó wà interim kí á tẹ pé wọ́n ní kó wà lórí ìjókòó yẹn fún what do they say he should be there for nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ sà ẹni kó máa ṣe adélé.
Okay,
interim force another government coming another person coming to take that seat ó dẹ̀ ṣọdún mẹ́rin bẹ́ẹ̀ ní regime Buhari then our minister for justice and everything around Buhari's governance even Buhari was telling Nigerians that I am not comfortable with anybody to work with me except the person is Fulani. Then you could remember in 2020 when there is terrible COVID then the man in charge of the who was the refinery Dangote he's not using his truck to bring cement again but transporting human being to our forest. Then you are now saying who is government? We don't have government. We did not have single government. Look at all the noise Igboho made before he left the country. And look at all the attempt they made on the life of Igboho. And look at all these things. Do we have government? For you to come and bombard somebody's house, then with government a rifle and AK-47 that you are looking for Igboho is disturbing the Fulani. That's not the first time. During the first time of Buhari, there was a pandemonium around Oyo State. Buhari had to leave Abuja, to leave Dara, to come down to meet the governor. To go and tell him, you are killing my people. Why? Why are you killing my people? Who is Buhari's people? Who? Do Buhari have a people? And you know Buhari is so mean. Ask Buhari what happened to his first wife. Ask him.
Wow.
Ask Buhari is a self-centered human being. Somebody that will be killing somebody in Benue, Boko, just everywhere. He will just be sitting on news. This has been happening. Do you remember what happened in Benue some time ago? When Buhari was there, when they killed about 300 people. 300. They said they want their land. Who gave them the land? And look at what the Fulanis are saying, that Nigeria belongs to them. Who sold Nigeria to them? Who is Osman Manfodio? Osman Manfodio is just like a normal human being like you. He's a radical. He's this and that. Yes. They said the way the Hausas are planning their religion is not right. That they have come to do all this on. They were paying some similar to them when they were giving them lands, everything. But later they turned around. Even they were making noise that we don't have quarrel, this and that. What's the headache? Psalm 24. The Almighty God owns the heart. And he did not give receipt to anybody. So if you start killing people, you are blood, you like to soak blood. You see some of them are eating human flesh.
Yes.
So automatically they know the type of trouble we are in. And some of them are making love to donkey, to goat, to cow. Are they human beings? So automatically we need to call foreign nation.
Okay.
So that we can call Israel. Israel is the Israelis are the people covering Nigeria for security before. They help us to secure this country before. This type of news or noise has been there before. That they want to change Nigeria to IOC. This and that, this and that. And that was the reason why Babangida, the windfall from the Gulf War, none of it was even returned there. And then they said Babangida has armory, where he was building about AK-47 and all these things. So maybe he's the one that now bringing to the country now.
Wow.
Then when you look at the one you are talking now,
Yes, sir.
you said somebody they killed 44, 47, 72. Are you not alive when Babangida put all Nigerian brains into Hercules and put them? You still the same Boko Haram. You still another method of Boko Haram.
Now,
so automatically, my brother,
yes, sir.
Don't be too worried. Anything give Makpa, Okpa Olipa. Anything to Makpa, Okada Olipa. Anything only for war Oriku. Iba go hospital for after 3 years. You know what to do, Madakesi. Ọlọ́run adákẹ́dájọ́. Àwa la máa jà fara wa. And that was why we've been agitating ever since 1990, 1992, 93, 94, 2000. The Lord has been revealing to me state police. How do you expect somebody from Kano to guide the palace of Oni of Ife? How do you expect somebody from Dara,
It's abnormal.
Somebody from Jos to come and guide the Oshima Way of Ondo?
It's abnormal.
It's abnormal. So to take off this abnormality, we need to have a state police, a park police, a street police, a university police, the VIO, the state, everything. So we should police, because security in Nigeria before is too porous. And because they use this one to embezzle during the time of Obasanjo. During the time of Obasanjo, time of Goodluck Jonathan, they said security votes. What are we securing? Look at everything now. Nothing secured. Everything is open. It's open. So live your little life and go. There's no Nigeria here. And these are things, because some people are amongst all these Muslims. When you talk anything ill about Allah, they will cut your neck. But have they seen Allah before? No, that's their mentality. How many credit did you think that Atiku feeling when he was writing jam? He didn't have anything. Look at the quota system. These are more or less Boko Haram. And all the people you see that are ministers everything today, they go to Egypt. They go around everywhere to get in the Arab nations and get certificate and bring it to Nigeria and be minister, commissioner, and everything. Look at what they are doing to South Kaduna. They even determine the type of course people from the south can do in their university.
Wow. Until
Tinubu gave them a university. So let us see. The man has filled all the gap in the judiciary. So let's see what goes in maybe the third year or the fourth year. But now we should clamor for state police. And all landlords too must not sleep. When you are moving out of your house, at least any little weapon you can go with your dagger. Don't carry Bible again. Put dagger. Then take a pear knife. Let it be in your pocket. Then hold little acid in your pocket. Put little acid in a container. Let it be in your pocket. So automatically, if anything happens, you can use your hand to brush the acid. You use the acid. Spill it on them. Even in your car, you need to have a gallon of acid. Anything short of that, you are just wasting your time. Yes, because Nigeria is a war zone.
Self-defense.
We need self-defense.